Imagine this. You're not blowing up their phone. You're not chasing. You're not trying to be noticed. Yet, they can't get you out of their head. Every time they scroll, work, or even relax, you pop into their mind. This isn't black magic. It's not a cheesy trick. It's what happens when you master a handful of Stoic skills. When you develop these traits, your presence lingers long after you've left, and people start thinking about you on loop. In this video, I'll break down 5 Stoic skills that quietly make you unforgettable, respected, and desired without you having to force anything. 1. Emotional stillness, the magnet of mystery. Most people are loud reactors. They blow up at criticism, flex when they win, sulk when they lose. But the Stoic man? He remains still. When you don't react, you create mystery. When you don't give them your emotional buttons to push, you instantly stand out. They're left wondering, what's going on inside his mind? That curiosity makes them think about you long after the interaction ends. Calmness is a silent magnet. 2. Presence over words, imprint without talking much. Anyone can talk. Few can command a room by just being in it. Here's how. When you're with someone, be fully there. Phone away, eye contact steady, body language grounded. And speak only when you've chosen your words. This combination of focus plus economy of words burns your image into people's memory far more than endless chatter. Silence creates tension. Tension creates attention. Attention creates recall. 3. Controlled availability. Scarcity creates value. If you're always accessible, always around, always ready to reply, you become forgettable background noise. But when you move with intention, choose where you show up, and protect your time like it's gold, you project value. People will think about you precisely because you're not everywhere. They'll wonder what you're doing, who you're with, why you're so hard to reach. That's when you start living in their mind. 4. Self-mastery in public, the reputation effect. A true Stoic doesn't only control himself in private, he controls himself in public. Win a deal? Stay humble. Lose a game? Stay composed. Be respectful to everyone, even critics. This is rare behavior, and rare behavior sticks. People will talk about you when you're not there. They'll replay how you acted because it was different from the usual drama. That's how you become unforgettable without self-promotion. 5. Purpose-driven life, direction is attractive. Nothing draws attention like someone who knows where he's going. When you live with a mission, building your body, your business, your craft, you naturally command respect. You radiate energy that others want but don't have. They think about you because you represent something bigger than small talk. Purpose is the highest form of silent influence. Conclusion. Brother, these aren't mind games. These are self-discipline skills. When you master emotional stillness, powerful presence, controlled availability, self-mastery, and purpose, you stop chasing attention. Attention starts chasing you. People can't help but think about the man who embodies calm power. Pick one of these skills today and practice it. In a week you'll feel the shift, and in a month, people will treat you differently. And if you want to go even deeper, watch my next video, How Women Treat You When They've Lost You, link in the description. It's the perfect follow-up to today's lesson. Stay strong, stay stoic.